Hi mga ka-J-Nice! I'm here with Kuya Rancel and I'm gonna interview him po. Is this your first time to use the Elastic L6 Pro po?
Hindi na po kasi meron si wife nito personally.
Have you faced any challenges sa paggamit ng Elastic L6 Pro po?
Yun, katulad nung review ko nakaraan, sa mga unang paluan, mahirap siya i-timing kasi super bilis niya. Pero pag nakuha mo na, super rewarding. Sarap gamitin.
Na-enjoy niyo po, like mampasok po lahat.
Super enjoy, hampas lahat.
What can you say about the rocket in terms of sa weight, swing, and the design po?
Sa weight, very sakto lang for you. Sa, ano ba yung next na tanong? Weight, steering control ba? Ayun, sa control, perfect na perfect, lalo kung sakto yung tension at string na ginamit mo.
Like, okay lang po.
Ayun, perfect.
Pero
Perfect.
yung design po, makinis naman po.
Yung design, perfect na perfect. Ang ganda.
Compared sa current rocket brand niyo po, does the J-Nice rocket exceed your expectation?
Yes, very, underrated tong rocket na to, guys. Tsaka yung Black Panther. One of the best na magagamit nyo na hindi pa ganun kasikat, pero soon. Ito na yun. Ito na ang bagong malupit na rocket.
Will you recommend J-Nice rockets to your fellow badminton players?
Yes, very recommended po. Sarap siya gamitin, guys. Kaya kung sa inyo, add to cart na kayo.
Kuya, last na ha? Last na to. Dapat totoong-totoo ha?
Oh,
Oh. What will you rate the rocket from 1 to 10?
10 over 10. One of the best rocket na nagamit ko, guys. Coming from Nanofleer 1000Z, 88D Pro, one of the best to. Tsaka yung isa, yung Solaration. So, yun.
Thank you po, Kuya Rancel.
Thank you.
Thanks to our partners. Follow us on TikTok and Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.